I had planned on posting a different video this week, but I had not finished editing that video yet. That video would have been in response to a viewer's question regarding how to draw the folds of clothing. Hopefully, that would be all ready for next week. Right now, I am posting this video of a quick sketch I did a while back. It is the type of sketch that I would do before I turn myself in at night, or maybe a sketch like ones that I make in the morning when I'm just getting started with my day. So you can regard it as either a sketch I make to unwind or a sketch I make to warm up. In any case, it is how I practice. It is a drawing meant to keep my hand moving. But that doesn't explain why I'm posting this video instead of the one I intended. And the reason for that is that because of health issues, I had fallen behind. I was recently hospitalized with a heart condition, and this is the second time in a month's period, and the second time in 4 years, the third time in 4 years, I'm sorry. So it's been an ongoing issue with me, and I'm getting older. I'm not that much older, so I'm told that 60s are still considered young. Well, so right now, although I'm recovering at home, my hospital stay and recovering period has led me to fall behind on my video postings. So I've been continuing to draw even while I was admitted in the hospital, but of course I wasn't filming that at all. So for this week, only consider this like a quick sketch video to a way of showing you how I warm up, and then this will just be like a placeholder for the next video to give me a chance to catch up here. I'll be back next week with a brand new video. So this is just, and to be honest with you, this is just practice. This was like I said before, this isn't even the way I really draw anymore, not with all of this construction, because this is something that I keep in mind without having to draw it. But this was one of those practice videos where I just felt like, let me just go ahead and build this up as if, So again, this is just a placeholder. I'll be back next week, and I'll speed this video up so that you can get to enjoy the video at least. Or, I've been speeding it up from the beginning. But what I'll throw in here is maybe some music just to cover me, and just to let you know again, at the end of this, I will be back next week with the video unfolding, and then continuous week I will continue to hold to this schedule. So the great thing is that I didn't make a break from the schedule as far as posting a video every Tuesday. So hopefully you guys will be with me next week, and forgive me for this week, and from the other weeks onward. Okay, so I'll see you guys then. Bye bye.